Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will delve into the common issues related to the charging port of the Lenovo Legion 5. If you're experiencing problems with your device not charging, it's crucial to understand the potential causes and how to address them. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Begin by powering off your Lenovo Legion 5 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you will have access to the internal components, including the charging port. Inspect the charging port for any visible debris or damage. Sometimes dust or lint can accumulate, preventing a proper connection. If you notice any dirt, use a small brush or compressed air to clean the area. For stubborn grime, a little isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab can help. If the port appears damaged or the connection is loose, it may require replacement. This is where things can get a bit tricky. If this seems too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and provide you with a clear understanding of what needs to be done. Should you decide to proceed with the repair yourself, locate the screws securing the charging port. Carefully remove them and disconnect the port from the motherboard. When installing the new port, ensure it is aligned correctly and securely fastened. After replacing the charging port, it's essential to clean the internal components to prevent overheating. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prolong the life of your device. Once everything is reassembled, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your Lenovo Legion 5 and check if the charging issue has been resolved. If you're still facing problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, addressing charging port issues on your Lenovo Legion 5 can be straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. However, if you encounter any difficulties, our professional services are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.